mathematics. We were doing days and week. We were completing some of the questions of days and week. A quick revision what we have done so far in these questions. This is the calendar, guys. Using these calendars, we have to solve some problems. A packet of dog biscuit lasts 6 days. Ben opens a packet on Thursday the 3rd. When will he open the next packet? So this is the question. You know the biscuit packet lasts how many days? 6 days. And Ben opens a packet on Thursday the 3rd. That's me, this one. So one day he will eat, dog will eat, 2 day dog will eat, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, and 6 day. That's mean up to Tuesday, dog will eat from the packet one. So Ben needs to open new packet for the dog on Wednesday the 9th, right? The second question, for 2 days every month I work in the library. For 2 days every month I work in the library. I work only on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. What days could I work? So that, guys, the question is saying that he works 2 days every month in a library. Okay, and which days are there? These are Tuesday and Wednesdays. He only working Tuesday and Wednesdays. So on which dates he can work? So maybe he can work on first week, Tuesday, Wednesday, like first or second. Okay, or maybe he can work in the second week, 8th or 9th, because he only work on Tuesday and Wednesday, so you will focus only Tuesday and Wednesday. So maybe 1 and 2, first and second, or 8th and 9th, or 15th and 16th, or 22nd and 23rd, or 29 and 30. So he could work in these dates, first and second, or 8th and 9th, or 15th and 16th, or 22nd and 23rd, and or 29th and 30. This is the answer of question number 2. And question number 3 was about, guys, I had planned to visit my sister on the 31st, but she asked me to go 2 weeks earlier. When did I go? So what was my first plan? My first plan was to visit on 31st. Okay, but she asked me to go 2 weeks earlier. 2 weeks earlier, guys, in the calendar, you just move back, go up and check 31st for a 1 week. Thursday 31st, go 1 week back, that is 24. One more week back, that is 17. So the answer is 17th, which is on Thursday. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Very, very,
Very,
very
very,
clear.
very
Yes, sir.
clear.
It is very clear.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Do you have questions up to here, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If you have questions, you can send the message in the chat box. I can take your questions. Okay. Now, question number 4, guys. Question number 4. Question number 4, you have to see very carefully. In question number 4, the question is saying, I wanted to go to the zoo on Monday. I wanted to go to the zoo on Monday 28th, but it was closed. So when I wanted to go, guys, I wanted to go Monday 28th. First, I should erase it. This is the date when I wanted to go. Okay, let's read it further. But it was closed. I was asked to go 2 weeks earlier. So I will go 2 weeks earlier. I will move to the calendar. 2 weeks earlier mean I will go up 1 week earlier and one more week earlier. So this is now 14. But I was busy. Oh, so that's mean I did not go on that date. Okay. I plan to go 3 days after that. So I will again come to the calendar 3 days after that. So now because I don't need to go for a week, so for days 1, 2, 3, or I can do like this for you 1, 2, 3. That's mean now I'm going to go what at 17th. Again I read the question, but it was raining. That's mean even on 17th I could not go. So I went 1 week after that. So I went 1 week after that. So now I will move to the again calendar. 1 week after means I will go here and check. So this is 24. So the answer is, the question was asking which day did I go to the zoo? So I finally went to the zoo on 24th. Do you understand, guys?
Sir, I
Yes,
want
Yes,
to.
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Yes,
I want to
sir.
get
Bye,
something.
sir. Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. I repeat it for you guys. You have to read the question carefully, and step by step you have to use your pencil in the calendar, then you will come to the answer. Look, I wanted to go the zoo on Monday 28th, but it was closed. So what I did here, on 28th I pointed out, but it was closed. Okay, so I could not go. Then I was asked to go 2 weeks earlier. So I come back again to the calendar. 2 weeks earlier means I will go up 21 and 21. That's mean I was asked to go on 14th. I was asked to go on 14th, but it was, but I was busy. So that's mean I could not go at that day. Then I planned to go 3 days after. So what is 3 days after 14? 3 days after 14 is 15, 16 and 17. But even that on 17th, I could not go because of raining. So I went 1 week after that. So after 17, I will go to the, after 1 week I go. So 17, from 17, 1 week is after is 24. Clear, guys?
Clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir, I want to
Yes,
tell you
Bye,
something.
sir.
Yes,
Bye,
yes,
sir.
sir. Very, very, very,
Bye,
very
sir.
clear,
Bye, Yes, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Who want to tell me something? Ahmed Jibrail. Yes, Ahmed.
Sir, uh, if I wanted to go to the zoo at 28th, but it was closed. And
Hmm.
I will go 2 weeks earlier, but I was busy, so he didn't go 2 weeks earlier. So it's still 28th.
No, it is still not 28.
Why he didn't go 2 weeks earlier?
He is
He
telling,
didn't go.
listen,
He didn't
look,
go.
he wanted to go to the zoo on Monday 28th. Okay, but it was closed. So I was asked to go 2 weeks earlier. 2 week earlier
But he
what?
didn't. But he
Listen,
didn't.
listen. 2 week earlier what? Okay, 2 week earlier with that date. Okay, this is the benchmark. But I was busy. I
But
planned to go. Listen, I plan to go 3 days after. After what? After this. This is connected. Okay, they all are connected. If it is the question, so we have to check the benchmark. This is the benchmark. He wanted to go to the zoo on Monday 28th, but it was closed. Then he was asked to go 2 weeks earlier of 28th. So he was busy. Then he planned to go 3 days after that. So from that date, you will go 3 days after. Okay. From every time you will not go from 28. Okay.
so it's sir tells here that he'll go 2 weeks earlier, but he didn't go. Means the date didn't change. He didn't go, and here he He will go 3 days after, but it was raining. He didn't go. So I
Listen,
went 1 week.
listen, Ahmad Jibrail. I'm getting your point, but you are not getting it. He didn't go, but the benchmark is the 28th date. Okay, he wanted to go to the zoo on Monday 28th, but it was closed. So he was asked to go 2 weeks earlier of 28th. It was busy. Okay, it was busy, so he could not go. He planned to go 3 days after that. He planned to go 3 days after that, but it was raining 3 days after this, where it was busy. He was busy. He is not saying three days after this date. Okay, so you will take 3 days after that, but it was raining, so he went 1 week after that. Look, there are also in one sentence, there are 3 days also, and there are 1 week also. There is 1 week also. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make a benchmark to the 28. From 28 you will use the calendar, and step by step you will move, and you will reach to the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Means
Yes.
he go 1 week after 3 days.
Yeah, I got your point. You want to say because of 28, so you don't need to read all these, right? You just come here and you read 1 week after that, and you will go to the days and week, and you will say it was 28 after 1 week. So there will be a next month, even not that month. You want to say
Okay.
that, right?
Yes.
So look in this calendar, even if you check, so 28, there is no week after 28. You have to go for the next month.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Next. You go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Very clear.
Very good, very good. All right, guys, so I'm going to write the answer here. The answer is, I'll go on which date? 24th. And on 24, which is the day? Thursday. I'll go on Thursday. 24th. On Thursday, 24th. This is the answer. The question number 5 is, guys, can you scramble the letters to make months of the year? Guys, these are the months of the year. What you have to do, you just have to rearrange it. Can you do it by yourself?
But
Yes.
where? Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
where?
But
Where?
give me only 2 minutes.
Here in the book. In the book you will do it. I will also do it for you, but try to complete it by yourself. This is LIPAR. Which month is that, guys?
So easy.
April. April.
April. April.
April.
Very good.
April.
Very good. So you will write April here. April. And GUUTSA. Which month is that, guys?
August.
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 August, sir.
Very good.
August.
August.
Very good. Very good.
August.
Very good. Very good. And the third one is Rebmecde. Which month is that?
December.
December.
Very good. December. Very good. And the next is
February.
RRYBEF.
February. February.
Very good. Very good.
January.
JYUANI.
January.
Very good. LUYJ.
July.
JNUE.
June.
June.
Very good.
June.
Charm. CHARM. Charm.
What?
Charm.
March.
Very good.
Wait for me. I am in February.
AMY.
Sir, wait for us.
Okay, I'm not May. And
February.
BERTONEM.
November.
November.
And
October.
BOPRCO.
October.
PEFSEBMRE.
October. Okay, September.
September.
March. Try on in March.
Okay.
Please wait. I'm in June.
I want to tell you something. Yes, sir. It said here, put them like this in order, and then put them again, starting with January.
Yes,
We put them again.
exactly. Exactly.
Can you?
Then I may go down.
Go down.
November.
No, let's start with them in order. Starting with January.
So,
Exactly, guys. You can make an order by yourself, okay?
I finished it.
then
January.
For making order, guys, you can write again from here: January, February, March, April, May. This is just you arrange it, and here you can start with January. And you can write up to January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Just parallel to this. Okay, guys?
okay, when we will do it tomorrow or now?
Yeah, take it
Yes,
as
sir.
homework.
We're gonna do it tomorrow.
Okay, so I will do
This
it now. But
Okay,
wait for me. Once I
okay,
can
sir.
You can do it now also. You can do it your home also, okay? But because I'm not doing here, you will have to do it by yourself. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
That's very good. Guys, now we have to start a new topic. That is Venn diagram. So are you ready to start new topic?
But wait,
Yes, sir, but
Okay. Did you finish it?
yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. All right. Guys, the topic is the next topic which we are going to study, that is on page number 80. On page number 80, the topic is Venn diagram. On Your book's page number 80. Page number 80, Venn diagram. Should I start, guys?
But sir, we will
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In November.
Okay. Abdul Hamid is saying I have question. Before going to that, guys, I would like to have question of Abdul Hamid. I saw his message. Where is he? Yes, Abdul Hamid.
Sir, why
Yes.
you don't write the months in the correct order?
Because this work you have to do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's what I said. Correct order you have to make it. I just write the correct spellings and I just make them correct so that you can check. You have to make the order by yourself. You have to arrange them in order by yourself. Okay, guys, I'm going to share a new screen with you. Can you see the new screen, guys?
Yes, sir. I make him. I make him.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm okay.
That's very good. Okay, guys, here we will learn about the basics of Venn diagram. Let's start. So, guys, the topic is Venn diagram. I told you, which is on page number 80. Okay. What we will learn in this topic, we are going to study about the definition of Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? We will learn it with the different examples, and later on we will come to the exercise questions. What is Venn diagram, guys? Venn diagram is a way of sorting things according to their features. Okay, we can use Venn diagram to sort out a data with the different features. Let's suppose there are some students uh, who got A grade in their sessional exam. Okay, and there are some students who got A grade in their final exam. Okay, so I can represent that data with the help of Venn diagram that in circle 1 there are the students who got A grade in sessional exam, and these are the students in B who got A grade in final exam. Obviously, there must be some student who got A grade in in sessional exam also and in final exam also. So where we will write that, sir? So we will write that in this area. This is the overlapping area. So guys, every group will be represented by a circle. What does that mean? Circle or oval shape. That's mean a single feature we will represent in one circle. Like A grade students who got A grade in sessional exam, I represent in circle 1, and students who got A grade in final exam, I will represent that students in another group. Okay, I can take one more example, guys. Let's suppose the students who like English or who like maths. Okay, so I can say the students who like English, they are in group A. They are the student. These are the students. I can represent them in one circle. That these are the students who like English, and for another circle, I will say these are the students who like maths. Okay, so every group will represent a single feature. Okay, and it will this area which is overlapping, this is the common area between this circle and this circle. Like if there are some students who like English and math both, so they will be written here. In the previous example, as I told you, the students who like who have A grade in their sessional exams also and in their final exam also. So these students name who got A grade in both exams, so they will be written here. So this is the overlapping area. Okay, let's move it further, guys. There are some students in your class, as I give you the example, who likes English, and there are some students in your class who like math, and there are also some students in your class who likes English and maths both. So look, this is the circle I write here. I draw a circle here, and this circle is representing the students who like English. Maybe two students, Ahmad and Muhammad, they are the students who like English very much. Okay, and maybe uh, S- Sam and Hussam, they are the students who like maths. Okay, so Ahmad, Muhammad, I write in English. Muhammad, Hussam, I write in math. And there is one student who like English also and who like math also. Let's suppose it is Faisal. Okay, so Faisal I will write here because Faisal likes English also and maths also. Whereas if we talk about Muhammad and Ahmad, so they only like English. Hussam and another student, they like math, and Faisal will like both English and maths. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, sir. I like English and math.
That's
Yes, sir.
very good.
I like English.
That's very good. Okay, let's move further. So in both we will write those students who like English and math. Hmm. So look at here example A, B, C, D, and E. These are the students who like English. Okay, and E, F, G. These are the students who like math. So guys, this is the whole the circle that is representing the students who like math. So in this circle you can see E, F, G, and this is the circle which is representing the students who like English, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so you can see that E is the common between these two circles. That's mean E is the student who like English also and math also. That's why we write it in the middle. Okay, so this E also belongs to that circle and it also belongs to that circle. So this is common between these two circles. This feature is common in between these two circles. Clear, guys?
Very,
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
That's very good. So this is
Yes.
common between these two circles. That's mean E is the students who like English as well and math as well. Why it's not moving? Okay, guys, we have one more example, that is multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. So these are the multiples of 3, guys. What I did, guys, I write a multiples of 3 and I represent that data in one of the circle. Okay, these are the multiples of 3: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 30, and 45. Are these all multiple of 3, guys? Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
sir.
These all are the multiples of 3. And here I take multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So guys, this circle is representing multiples of 3. They all are multiples of 3 and they all are multiple of 5. So you can see, guys, that 3 is multiple of 3 but it is not multiple of 5. That's why I write it in the circle which is multiple of 3. 6, 9, 12, they all are just multiple of 3. So this is the whole circle is multiple of 3. And like this 5, 10, 20, 25 and 35, these all are only multiple of 5. That's why I write in that circle. But 15, 30, and 45, they are multiple of 3 as well, and they are multiple of 5 as well. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15, and 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30, and 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30. 3 multiplied by 15 equals to 45, and 15 multiplied by 3 equals to 45. So they are multiple of 3 as well and multiple of 5 as well. That's why I write it in the common area, which is common between these two circles. That's mean these numbers are multiple of 3 as well and multiple of 5 as well. These are multiple of 3 as well and multiple of 5 as well. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good, very
Very
good.
clear. Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. So we will do the question, guys, from the book. How much time do we have right now? Well, we have only 2 minutes left. Okay, we will start questions from the next class. And what is the question, guys? In the question, we have to label. The labels are missing from this Venn diagram. What would you write to the new labels? Okay, this is the question number 1A. Then we have 1B, copy the Venn diagram and add in the numbers. Why some numbers are outside the circle? We will complete that also. Okay. Later on, what we will come to the exercise and we will solve some questions with the practice sheet also, guys. Where uh, put these 8 numbers in the correct places in these Venn diagram. Multiples of 3. This is the circle. You have to write multiples of 3. This is the circle. You have to write even numbers. And in between here, you have to write the number which are multiples of 3 as well as even number. Like 30. 30 is a multiple of 3 also and it is even number also. So 30 you will write here. Multiples of 3 like 15, 21, and this type of and even number you will write like 2, 10, 30, 2, 10 here, and in between you will write the number which is multiple of 3 as well and even number as well. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. But we will do it tomorrow, inshallah. Exercise question also and worksheet also. So I'm going to check the chat. That's very good. You got A. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next class.
Bye,
Yes,
bye.
sir. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
sir. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.